Zach, guys, and today I'll be showing you my slime collection. Some of the slimes I will not play with because most of them are some of them are boring. So yeah, let's get on to the first one. The first one is this slime made in Switzerland. That was from Switzerland. It was developed in Switzerland, and it's very stretchy, as you can see. I gotta say, this is like the stretchiest slime. Maybe. But, yeah. So, yeah. On to the next one. And there will be a part 2 because I have 18 slimes. 18 slimes. And, there's a lot. So, yeah. This next one is the fluffy foam slime. And yes, there's glitter in it and there's foam. And it feels very good. Why is there something on my finger? Feels very good. It feels so good. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, you should have saw that if you did. If you saw that big fat bubble that popped out of nowhere. This next one is this neon slime. It says it's slime. Well, it doesn't say it's slime if it's slime or putty, but I'm calling it slime. This next one is Wizard's Brew, aka Jiggly Slime. This next one is Orange Cream Slime, which I'm not going to bring out because it's a little bit sweaty for some reason. And this is my Mint Butter Slime. I wish it actually smelled like mint. So, oh yeah. Wait. This next one is the Fluffy Glitter Slime, and I have a whole lot of more slimes in here. In this box. So yeah. And this color is off the hook. I mean, this is one of the best colors I've ever saw. And yes, I made this. This feels so good. On part 2, I will be playing with some slimes because most of the slimes in here are the good ones. Oh yeah, comment down below what's your favorite slime. My favorite slime has to be Fluffy Slime and Clear Slime. I have never felt Constellation Slime before. I mean, I never had Constellation Slime before. I might have felt it. Like, I think, yeah, my friend had it. Well, someone had it, and they let me feel their Constellation Slime. So, yeah. Okay, check out part 2. Bye!